Quality control for the factories of the future. Quality inspection in high-volume production is often slow, expensive, and difficult to scale. This often results in lower quality products or higher scrap rates. Flanders Make is rethinking this process with an AI-driven, vibration-based quality control system that enables fast and fully automated inspection. In this demo, a part is simply placed on a custom jig. The system captures a unique vibration fingerprint, links it to a digital twin, and uses artificial intelligence to instantly detect defects such as cracks, voids, or creep across metals, ceramics, and polymers alike. It provides a clear pass or fail decision within seconds, enabling 100% inspection rates even in demanding production environments. And by integrating contextual data like temperature and humidity, the system also supports long-term process monitoring and continuous improvement. Discover a fast, reliable, and cost-effective approach to quality control built for the factories of the future.